Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm all set up to do the listing video for you guys for the unboxing that I just did. So you're interested in seeing what I list, what ends up going to Amazon, and what I have to put on different platforms, and what my estimated profits will be from this unboxing. Keep watching. Okay, so just to refresh your memory, this is a plus size women's apparel box from Honcho Wholesale. I paid $117.75. So that puts me in at $4.71 per item. I'm just going to reach in the box, no particular order at all, and I have my scanner right here. This is my scanner. I bought it off of Amazon. It's called iYoyo or eYoyo, and I have my inventory lab pulled up, so all I have to do is scan it and it'll let me know if it's in Amazon's catalog or not. If it is and it's with a decent rank, then I'll send it in. If it is not in their catalog, or if the rank is too high, then I will list it on another platform. The reason why that makes a difference, because you don't want to send it into Amazon and then end up paying a lot in storage fees, because they will charge you storage fees if the item doesn't sell. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting first with this pretty light green, light teal capri from Charter Club. And I have a basket and a box. One box is for listing and one is for Amazon. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Okay, so this is not on there because it's actually coming up as Charter Club Cambria Reversible Standard Pillow Sham, and we see that this is not a pillow sham, so it's not on there. We're going to move on to the next. These are the Style & Co. cargo shorts in 20 wide. I think I can just scan it. These are on there. Okay, they're on there. They're going for $19.99. The rank is wonderful, and the profit will be $11.24. Let's try the blue pair in 14 wide. Okay, these are on there, and they're going for, they're kind of on the low side, so I'm going to change my price because it's actually on the low side for merchant fulfilled. So I'm guessing it's on the low side because they're probably going to charge shipping, and it doesn't tell me that. So I'm going to list it at $19.99, just like the black ones, and that gives me a potential profit of $13.53. Next is this cute top by, I think this was Tommy. I don't know if I'm gated in Tommy on here. I haven't tried to sell a Tommy Hilfiger item, so we're going to see. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Well, product not found. Boo! Next is the faux wrap dress by NY Collection in the black and red. Okay, try not to take. Fingers crossed. Okay, looks like this one is on there, and it's going for $19. So my profit will be $10.42. Next is this peach color, or maybe not peach, but a pale blush. It's a blush color by Alfani. And it's not on there. Boo! Next is this scoop neck tee from Karen Scott. And it's not on there. I'm not expecting any of the short sleeve tops from Karen Scott to be on there, because again, their original price is $14.99. So after fees, you won't get much profit. So I'm not expecting that any of those to be on there. Okay, this is the Cargo Capri by Karen Scott in navy. Okay. Ooh, these are on there. They're going for $23.27. My profit would be $16.25. Again, I'm not expecting any of these pullover short sleeve tops to be on there, but I'm scanning them just in case. You never know. Okay, so this one is on there, and it does say purple, but the picture that the lady is wearing is like a coral or a blush pink, but it does say purple. The rank actually is good, but there are currently no other offers, so I will actually have to search to see what the sales history is. Okay, so the sales history looks like $12. The original price is $14.99. The last 180 days is sold for $9.33. Let's see. I gotta see what it looks like with the 983. And my profit is $4.86. So I will lose money sending it into Amazon. So that's what I mean by actually sending these into Amazon, because the original price is $14.99. So even if I was to list it at the $9.83 that they went for within the past 6 months, my profit will only be $4.35. So I'm not making back what I paid for the item. Remember, for each item, we're in at $6.20. So yeah, we're not gonna send that one in. Next is this Alfani top with the little side tail. Okay, so that is there. It's going for $29.99, so my net would be $21. So I'm just going to put all these to the side because we already know that. So what I just went ahead and did was moved all the short sleeve tops into the listing pile for other platforms so that I won't waste your time. Okay. All right. So this is that nice fall color top from NY Collection. I hope this is on there because this is just such a beautiful top. And it is not. I'm disappointed. it should be in their catalog. That is a pretty color top. Here are a pair of cargo shorts, 14 wide by Style & Co. Okay, so they are on there. They're going for $15.98, and the profit will be $10.15. So this is the Style & Co. dress. I think this is a dress. If not, it must be a tunic. Okay. And it is not on there. Here's the Alfani cobalt top. Okay, it's going for $18.88, and my profit will be $11. I'm sorry, I clicked on it too fast. Last thing is these white pants by Alfani with the stitching at the bottom. Good rank. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it at $39.95. Okay, so it's no FBAers, just a bunch of merchant fulfilled, and I'm going with $39.95, and the profit will be $27.81. That is still less than half of what the original price is, which is $84.50. Okay, so that's it for that one. I'm not going to do a tally of the ones I have to put on the other platforms in this one, because like I said, I'm going to bundle the tops. So that's going to take a little bit of time. But so far my net profit is $122.34, and I spent $120, so I am in at $2 over per profit. $2. But again, that's because I'm not including the ones that I'm putting on another platform, because it's not much I'm going to get out of these. With them originally being $14.99, it's not much I'm going to get out of these by themselves. So I'm going to bundle them together and do it that way and see if I can get more profit that way. So I have quite a bit in here. Yeah, I have quite a bit. Like all these are the tops. Okay, that's it for this video. Stay tuned to my next video. I am a little down that some of the items, these two items, this one and the dress, and these were not in Amazon catalog. I think they deserve to be, but nonetheless, I will list them and list them on another platform. So thanks again for tuning into this video. Stay tuned to my next video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.